Now, this is a very typical problem of time, speed, and distance, which was asked in the IPMAT 2023 paper. This was in the short answer section. That means no options were given, and the answer would be an integral number. Let's take a look at the question. Basically, it reads that Vinita drives a car which has 4 gears. Speed of the car in the fourth gear is 5 times speed in the first gear. Car takes twice the time to travel a certain distance in second gear as compared to third gear. Okay. In a 100-kilometer journey, Vinita travels equal distances in each gear and takes 585 minutes to complete the journey. Now, instead of the distances covered in first, second, third, and fourth gears are 4, 32, and 60 kilometers respectively, then total time taken in minutes to complete the journey will be what? Very, very interesting question of time, speed, and distance. Let's see exactly what can be done. So, the fundamental formula we know, speed is distance traveled upon time taken. Okay, which means that I can write that time taken is equal to distance traveled upon speed. Now it says the speed of the car in the fourth gear is 5 times speed in the first gear. So let S4 be speed in the fourth gear. So that is 5 times speed in the first gear. And car takes twice the time to travel a certain distance in second gear. So time is double, means speed is half, which means the speed in the third gear is twice the speed in the second gear. Okay. Now, in a 100-kilometer journey, Vinita travels equal distance in each of the gears and takes 585 minutes. So time 1 plus time 2 plus time 3 plus time 4 is a total of 585 minutes. I'm keeping in minutes, right? So time is distance upon speed, and remember, in each case the distance is the same, 25. So I can say 25 upon speed 1 plus 25 upon speed 2 plus 25 upon speed 3 plus 25 upon speed 4 is the total time of 585. Now I also know that speed 4 is 5s1 and speed 3 is 2s2. So I can replace these two. So now I can get 25 upon s1, and I'm slightly rearranging the terms. So bringing s4 in terms of s1 together. So s4 is written as 5s1, then plus s2. So 25 upon s2, and s3 also I can write in terms of s2. So 25 upon 2s2 is equal to 585. Great. So now I need to simplify this. So 25 upon s1 plus this can be simplified as 5 ones are 5 fives are. So 25 upon s1 plus 5 upon s1 becomes 30 upon s1 plus 25 upon s2, and this is 12.5. So 25 plus 12.5, so plus 37.5 upon s2 is equal to 585. So if I take 30 common here, I get 30 into 1 upon s1 plus 1.25 upon s2 is 585, which means I can write 1 upon s1 plus 1.25 upon s2 is 585 upon 30. Okay, let's keep this for the time being. Now the second part. Now instead of the distances covered in first, second, third and fourth gear are 4, 4, 32 and 60. Then total time. So now time 1 is 4 upon s1. The second distance is also 4 upon s2. Third distance is 32. And s3 I can write as 2s2 plus fourth distance is 60, and fourth speed s4 can be written as 5s1. I have to find the value for this. So let's simplify this. So here 2 ones are and 2 16s are, 5 ones are and 5 12s are. So bringing the s1 terms together, I get 16 upon s1 plus 4 plus 16, 20 upon s2. So if I take 16 common outside, 1 upon s1 plus 1.25 upon s2. And I know the value of 1 upon s1 plus 1.25 s2. So that is 16 into 585 divided by 30. So 2 8s are, 2 15s are, 15 1s are, 15 3s are, 15 9s are, 8 9s are, 7 8s are 24, 31. So now I get that my journey should have taken 312 minutes because I kept 585 in minutes. So 312 is also in minute. So it's a very long and involved problem, very typical problem. But step by step, if you solve it, definitely this is doable.